Okay guys, what I've done is I took a Sharpie pen and I've kind of made myself a guide as to where I'm going to sharpen the bevel of the axe and kind of bring it back a little bit. You might be able to see that I have it right up to the edge here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to file along the marker and take out lines of marker as I go to kind of create a guide for myself. I usually do this freehand, but I wanted to give you guys an idea of what I'm doing here. So what I do is I just take the file. It's a lot easier if you have a handle on it. And I just start from here, and the way I cut is to go this way. So you might see there's a line of marker coming out. It's not perfect. So I just come across till I get that first line of marker off, okay? So there's our first line removed, if you can see that. And then I'm just going to lift my file up a little bit and remove that second line. So we're up a little more. So as we've lifted it, we keep removing each line of the pen. And over here, before I work my way to that final line, I kind of take a look and see if there's any of the pen left here. Make sure I remove that. That's the kind of penetration we're looking for with our axe, guys.